Hello. Welcome, guys. This is my first live streaming from this ultra rare thing I have. Okay, one time ago, I did YouTube channel. Rick is talking about this, the dog day plush, the catnap plush, and the playing plushie toys, and now that Bobby Hill and dog day, and Bobby Hill and everybody said, why are you making Smile Critters now? Not any Sonic. I can't. I want to make Smile Critters. This is my first time live streaming. And no, I'm not making that anymore. And yeah, it's talking about catnap now. Okay, catnap is actually a plush and it's after Christmas. Poppy Playtime make catnap is in Christmas. That's after Poppy Playtime 3 coming up. And actually not. You white people don't actually count for figure toys. I only have one shot to try this. But first time I'm streaming, no one cares about this. Last time I released the Bobby Hilton Dog Day plush is not released well. No one cares about the Smiling Critter. And this is my first time live streaming. Guys, then somebody do a down below comments in a text for in the chat. I'll put everything. I'll put my actually real white shirt is actually I'll put your name in the chat. And yeah, I'll put your name in the chat and somebody comments me. Chat, like your YouTube name or your real name. Then you ask my name, and I'll put you in chat and say, what's your name, guys? I go tell you in your chat or what? Yeah, like that. Like put in the chat, say, hello, my name is Dylan. I put in everybody in the chat in this new shirt, white shirt. I could put it on in my class and show like what a white shirt, Sony shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There could be a billion. I need a white in there. I can't. I don't know how. Okay, live streaming the first time lucky day. A lucky day of live streaming. I maybe that counts every day. Like a billion, a trillion. Oh, what that is? Look at that. Okay. Wait, we're gonna look in the camera. Count the paper and the paper on the bottom. Okay, it's catnap. Okay, catnap is the most portions Christmas is going Poppy Playtime at least. Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 at least. I'm the only one that's doing this. I don't know. My real people that is doing a camera is like actually my mom and me and like somebody else, random person are doing. I'm not a random person, it's me. And Candace holding it too. I don't know. Candace not here. Yeah, like yesterday Candace holding it the whole time day. And what they're doing, catnap is actually a least toy. Then you look in the catnap plus toy, you will see his tail is so big. His tail so big about it is never seen his wife before. Catnap wife is actually a dark secret in Poppy Playtime release. Catnap is actually a doll toy at least. Real life doll toy is talk. After that, change happens like it started to be so that it's my critters. And after that it's milk everybody and laugh and sleep and everybody. And it stops in the president saying catnap is not safe ever again. That's the most ugly things I say. Catnap is a bad thing from that it smokes. People are going to sleep. And catnap make everybody have ADHD. I was thinking in the 1980s. Like what? Okay, why did you say it? Why do you know? Catnap is the most released in the Poppy Playtime. Actually, Poppy Playtime no released the game yet. Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 and Chapter 3 and Chapter 2 too. And it wasn't. It's in 2020. I think I released in 2016. 2016, the Poppy Playtime released yet. One time ago, catnap is doing that. Somebody could make a real Poppy Playtime release. It's called HH. It's called. You actually Dark Secret in the 2016. Actually, it's not 2016. 2016, a long time ago, like I think 8 times ago. Yeah, like live streaming at Pawnee. Like the same one. One kid, his name is George. He loved the new toy he got, the purple cat's color. The name called Purple Cat, Little Kitty called it. And after that it's called catnap because moving everywhere and napping and smoking. And after that, it's going to be destroyed from evil catnap, scary catnap released. Not ever again, today is gone. I have a catnap toy released. A long time ago, I released that catnap toy. I get that toy and buy it from Amazon. It's not a knockoff like I think Poppy Playtime store at least like that. Yeah, like it means. Like any new ones like what is coming. I cannot flush it. Is boom. No. You don't want to hear this. Boom, it's all gone. I'm good enough. I get it because that's only the last one I have is half there. And after that, the new one is Dog Day. It's going to, yep, you're correct, Dog Day. Dog Day live streaming is doing it. I'm getting the Dog Day plush. The dog day plushes are made up with copywriting the same one at Poppy Playtime. And somebody make at least a more Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 in 2024. 2022, his name is JH's. There's a knockoff will make a JH's, make every nice toys like Dog Day, Sonic stuff, everything, like all your favorite characters. And games too, I didn't know. Okay, Dog Day Plush. It actually go to the 2022 Poppy Playtime 2 release already. 2022. I think it's in no school in December. December is no school. Actually, it's in a 8th that the Poppy Playtime release, I guess more. Okay. Dog Day Plush is the Wanda's Hoxie. Go. What? Maybe we have a weapon. Okay, let me see that time. I think we have 11:36, like 7. Oh yeah. Oh, you know. Maybe a long time ago was never releasing all the things like Dog Day Plush. That's so many. It's so many. And everybody getting it, and my birthday are getting it right now. Like after that is no school. I can't find it. Yep. I think the more is coming about from the evil catnap. It's smoke, and we have the new Dog Day Plush. It's more is tracked to Mommy Long Rick's release. Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 release already. It's a long time ago. As you know, it's released. Make a new toy called Dog Day Plush, and Poppy Playtime and make it. And actually, a Dog Day Plush mom was released and mom was all done. Like one time ago, I just know. No one would care about it. And as you know, catnap Dog Day waits before. And then now that's why it's called the Smiling Critters. Okay, now my next one is Bobby Hillhug. Yeah. This is somebody else named Poppy Playtime. Yeah, Poppy Playtime made this. Actually, like the HH and JH's. It actually is spawned in a. And it's a one time ago. It's not. Well, like why? Why do you need to talk this now? I don't know. One time ago, I never make a sense before. Like one time ago, like I think Bobby Hillhug is from at least the first time. Like Mom was the YouTube, my first YouTube was released. And now released in I got the older days, like Bobby Hillhug. Bobby Hillhug is the most goodest ones released. They're the only one released. Bobby Hillhug is just never. It's called Bobby Hillhug because the bear look like cute. That is called Bobby Hillhug. It's called Bear Hug. It's called Bear Hug. It's Hug and Bear. It's called Bobby Hill Hug, and a heart saying the logo means heart. Sun is means sunny day. Night is nighttime. If you don't know what it means, I think at the moment a little bit time to do. I think.
Huh?
I think we'll know what could be a real dog at least. And next, I think Bobby Hill is never released. I think the next one is Bubble Fit. Bubble Fit. Okay, Bubble Fit is the most luckiest genius toy. They're released in after that is a 2010 or 2011 released in Catnap Plus. We have a genius cat released, and I don't know. Bubble Fit is the most genius ones, I agree. Catnap is so jealous to release some more, and then after that he scream and rap. And after that, again is gone. And Bubble Fit is never gone forever. And after that, one unicorn released, and somebody released, and YouTube, and somebody make Bubble Fit is actually called Mike is. Did it make the Bubble Fit? And those people make that plush toys do this?
No sé.
And never released, like 24 hours ago. I think it's never released. Yeah. I think maybe the least like Bobby, Dog Day, and Catnap, and Bubble Fit is the most wanted cat released in like 18 days. I made me a reason a long time ago. Maybe not a releasing day. And after that, I released and like I was born in it. I'm born in a Catnap age. And then now the next like a long time ago, I think our man's like, I don't know. Bubble Fit, it's good. Now let's go to Cracky Cone. Cracky Cone is released in my born age and my birthday age. December 10th, 2015 is Cracky Cone released the most cat makes is one is only one made. I make it a long time ago where you released. And what you know, what it means. There are awesome foods to make, and a long time ago, like a hell, and it means Cracky Cone. It's the best character. What do you mean? And after that, Bobby Hill Hug, Cracky Cone is never beef before. And after that, he's always paint. And after that, was a no. Now the next one is Chicken Hicken. The last one I'm doing. Chicken Hicken is made to Bubble is the 2000s, the 2020. That's the reason because they're the only ones to do this. I think it's never been before.
¿Cuál es el examen que va a hacer?
I think it never released in a long time ago. I maybe a bones in it. It never go a bit. I don't know is my first time at chicken hicken and we like don't the creator make is bees is cool and after this is all done. Okay guys, time to say bye. Bye. Subscribe and like and subscribe and comment. And see this streaming is good. Bye.